support mission in Haiti, now known as the as a defining moment in the international policing operation. This mission demonstrated Kenya's readiness to shoulder global responsibility, the confidence placed in our service by the international community. We are deeply grateful to the United States government for the operation and strategic support extended to our officers, to coordination of the United Nations and the commitment of other partner nations. This support enabled Kenyan police officers to operate effectively in a highly complex security environment. Our officers played a central role in restoring security police and stabilizing communities across the Caribbean. By the 60 officers present here today, upheld the highest standards of discipline, professionalism, respect for human rights, reinforcing Kenya's reputation as a trusted contributor to global peace and security. Distinguished guests, beyond Haiti, our cooperation with the United States remains particularly strong in the areas of counterterrorism. Through the collaboration with the ADPU, the United States has supported specialized training, kitting, and equipment provision, strengthening Kenya's ability to prevent and respond to terrorist threats. We also acknowledge the role of the United States Department of State and Terrorism Assistance, ATA program, which has enhanced the capacity of Kenyan officers through targeted training in crisis response, explosive detection, and protection security. Under the initiative, the Special Program for Embassy Augmentation Response, SPEAR, including the United States Embassy in Nairobi, contributing to broader administration, IDA, which continues to support the anti-narcotics unit in combating drug trafficking and money laundering. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, also benefits from long-standing cooperation with the U.S. agencies, including the FBI, Department of State, and Department of Homeland Security in counterterrorism, cybercrime, and human trafficking, and complex investigations. This includes the Joint Terrorism Task Force, Kenya, advanced training at the FBI Academy in Quantico, and the Transnational Organized Crime Unit, TOCU, focused on combating drugs and human trafficking and other cross-border criminal activities, as well as sustained support for forensic and digital investigation capabilities. We equally appreciate the United States support to the Anti-Human Trafficking and Child Protection Unit of the DCI, including collaboration with the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, which has strengthened Kenya's response to child exploitation and trafficking. The National Police Service greatly appreciates the continued support of the government of the United States in strengthening our operational capacity, particularly through the training and equipping of the Rapid Response Team, RRT, of the General Service Unit. This partnership has seen the provision of vehicles, modern equipment, specialized training facilities, and advanced drone technology for intelligence gathering and surveillance. These critical resources have significantly enhanced our ability to respond swiftly and effectively to emerging security threats, thereby improving public safety across the country. As we build on these gains, we respectfully appeal to the government of the United States to further consider supporting the National Police Service through the provision of aircraft for air operations. Air support will greatly enhance a rapid deployment, timely crime interventions, search and rescue missions, and surveillance in hard-to-reach areas. Such capability will be a game changer in our collective efforts to combat transnational crimes, terrorism, and other evolving security challenges. Similarly, the administration police service has benefited immensely from the United States support in the training and equipping of the Border Patrol Unit, the BPU, and the Special Operations Group, SOG. These specialized units have played a critical role in strengthening security borders and in high-risk operations across the country. Their improved preparedness, professionalism, and stands as a testament to the strong partnership between Kenya and the United States in promoting States also places strong emphasis on accountability, reform, public transmission to the government of Kenya, the government of the United States, and all our international partners for their unwavering support. We remain a reliable, professional, and dedicated and collaborative partner in promoting peace and security, both nationally and internationally. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Thank you. We also Juma to come and continue the program, Dr. Monica Juma.